Kommst du zu der Geburtstagsparty von Tina? Ja, ich komme sehr gern. Kommt Stefan auch? Kommen, kommt.
Komme, kommst.
Which one should I use?
So, what exactly do we mean by infinitive form? Infinitive form of the verb is verb in its basic form, like
Spielen. Tanzen. Hören.
for the purpose of understanding conjugations, we'll be using these three verbs. You can check our lesson on personal pronomen by clicking the I button above.
Was lernst du am Wochenende?
Ich lerne Gitarre spielen.
Here, lernen is the verb in infinitive. However, you can find two instances which are lernst and lerne. The subject-object theory will be covered in another video. For now, we just need to know that the person doing the action is called the subject. With the subject do, lernen becomes lernst, and with ich, it is modified to lerne.
Hey Tanja, was spielst du gern?
Ich spiele gern Basketball.
Hier spielen is the verb in infinitive. With du, it is spielst. While with ich, it is modified to spiele. Modification of the verb with respect to the subject is called conjugation.
I have started understanding. What about the conjugation with the third person? We see this in the next conversation.
Kommst du zu der Geburtstagsparty von Tina? Ja, ich komme sehr gern. Kommt Stefan auch?
Here, Stefan is the third person, which can be replaced with the pronoun er. The conjugation with er is kommt, and with du we use kommst. Now that you are aware of the concept of conjugation, Let us see how to conjugate. Step 1. Let's take the verb common in its infinitive form. Step 2. Remove en so that you get the stem of the verb. To this stem, we'll be adding various suffixes. Step 3. If conjugating with ich, add e to the stem, with do add st, and with als add t. You can devise a common rule as shown in the table.
Hurrah! I'm not confused anymore. But I should make a chart to remember and retain. Here it is. Why don't you help me prepare a chart for the verb spielen?
If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Bis dann! Ciao!